I don't know how many times I've picked up this camera to be consistent and vlog, but I told myself I'm gonna take it easy and I'm gonna just try to post once a week on YouTube and just pick up my camera whenever I feel like it and just make it into maybe a weekly vlog. So I'm running errands. I worked out this morning, had therapy, and yeah, definitely did some work. And now I'm gonna go bring my car to get looked at because it says it needs oil and I just had an oil change, so we need to see what's going on about that. And then I have to go get my feet done and run some errands, so just come with me. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. So let me tell you, I wish I got this on camera as I was waiting, and they did what they had to do. I think the last time my car was getting serviced, they forgot to reset the settings in my car, and oh, it's hot. My God. Let me sit for a second and figure out where I'm gonna go. But they forgot to reset my car, because it's all electric. They forgot to set it for the oil, and I got a new sticker, so I gotta get an oil change July 7th. I feel like that's around the corner. So they did that. Everything's good. As I was waiting, I wish I got it on camera, but this guy who was in there, he was like, can I ask you a question? I was like, what? He was like, I didn't say it like that, but he was like, I just gotta ask you, what do you have on? What are you wearing? And like, your scent, you got the whole place smelling good. And I was like, well, I got Sol de Janeiro body spray on, and then I have Jackiana's I Am Her perfume scent. And he was like, oh my God, it's such amazing. Like, you have the whole, I was like, you really smell it? And he was like, you got the whole office, the whole place smelling like this. I was like, really? Cool, okay. So, hey, my combo is good. It's like when you're so used to wearing perfume and scents, I smell it on me. Don't get me wrong, I smell it, but it's like you get immune to it. Now I'm about to go get a pedicure and get these feet scrubbed, because ooh, I never go that long without getting my feet done, but shit, let me do it. Bye. Because whew, I'm leaving Bolay. I got myself some dinner and I'm gonna go home because I was gonna go to Ulta to get that blow dryer, but I'm just gonna go tomorrow morning after Pilates because your girl is tired and I want to go home. I want to light a candle. I want to be in my bed. I need to get a car wash tomorrow. That's something that I don't usually do. I am not a car wash girl. My house is clean, but I'm not gonna lie, my car is not really the cleanest. So I made a promise to myself. I was like, I need to go get my car wash, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow until someone's son could do it for me, because that's anything car related. I don't want to do it. I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to pay for it. I don't want to nothing. Let's see if I'm gonna buy a Dyson blow dryer today. Okay, so I'm here and this is the new Dyson. It's called the Dyson Neural blow dryer, and it's their newest technology. It was literally just released. I like this. I don't really care for the color of this. It is pretty though, but I would have preferred pink or you are able this. To pay, I need to get a tripod. I look crazy, but I'm gonna buy it and we're gonna see if I like it. This is their newest blow dryer too, so Dyson, show me some love. And then I'm gonna try the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray by e.l.f. So So I'm excited to try this out because I swear by e.l.f. products, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good purchase. So I did it. I bought the new Dyson Supersonic Neural blow dryer. So we're gonna see what it's about. I'm excited, but it's for real now. So now I think I'm gonna head into Bath and Body Works and re-up on some hand soap because I'm out of it. And it's like now I can't use regular hand soap, and that's bad. Trust me, I'm a humble person, but now it's like I need it. I need my Bath and Body Works hand soap. So let's see if they have a sale. Yes, they got a sale. They got buy 3 get 3. So let's pick them up. Okay, I got my stuff from Bath and Body Works. Got all my soaps. So we good now. Okay, I'm at Aldi's and I got these the last time I was here. Man, when I tell you these taste so good, I definitely should not be eating these, but if you want something sweet with a little bit of something salty, these are perfect. So good. Good morning. It is 10:54. It is Saturday, May 11th, and I'm trying to be consistent. I look crazy. I did not wash my hair last night or blow dry it with my new Dyson, but today I'm gonna go to Pilates class, and I don't know what my day is gonna look like today, but I want to wash my hair, I want to blow dry it, I want to film some content, and what else I gotta do? I don't know. I would love to get a car wash, but I haven't found a place yet. But let me go and stretch these legs and try to do the right thing, because I honestly don't feel like being here right now, but we're gonna do it, and we're gonna try to be this Pilates princess that we've been trying to be for months. So let's just cheers to being consistent. Let's go work out.
All the way out. Bend the knees in and push away. Light circles.
This is the hardest Pilates class I've ever had. I think it's called CP 1.5 full body something. My hands are shaking. But yeah, that was this class was hard as fuck. So let me recuperate. Oh my god. Okay. I'm on the phone with my best friend. She said she's not prepared. Say hi. Hello. And I'm getting like everything set up for my little video I'm gonna do reviewing the Dyson blow dryer right here. This is the new Dyson Supersonic Neural. It's their newest technology, and yeah, I did it. I finally was convinced, and I purchased it yesterday from Ulta. And I'm super excited because I've been wanting to really spend money on quality products. I just recently got a T3 curling iron, and now I got the Dyson blow dryer, so I'm happy about it. And it looks pretty. So let's get into it. Let me set this up real quick. My hair is freshly washed, and what did I use? I put the stuff away, but I used the Pantene Gold Series. And yeah, I'm gonna set this up and blow dry this hair. So let's see what it gives. We're about to see what it's gonna do to my hair. Let's see if it really can straighten it, protect my hair, and do it in a sufficient amount of time. I'm excited. It's pretty. The diffuser attachment here. That is the diffuser, right? Yeah, the wave and curl diffuser. It has a pretty thick cord. Seems really sturdy. It's super thick, which I like because we got the comb. This is what I will be using today. My hair is freshly washed. I use a t-shirt to dry my hair. And this is how my curls are. My hair smells so good, oh my God. So, I don't know what kind of curls I have. 4C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I don't know. I have to do research, but I'm using in my hair. This is all that I'm gonna use. If you haven't already, and you're watching this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna try to be making videos, like post vlogs once a week. I'm not gonna put too much on myself and drive myself crazy. Whenever I pick up my camera, that's what you guys will see. So she's plugged in. What should I name her? I should name her. What should I name her? Her name is Dyson, but Dai? I don't know. Let me shut the fuck up. I'm turning it into 4 sections. And I'm gonna spray this pretty decent because I want my hair to be protected. Dang. So far, this is just with a couple of passes. This is good so far. I like it. Very easy, and I like that it's lightweight. I need to get a trim. All right, let's do the rest. Whew, child. It is hot in my bathroom. I had to open a door because yeah. All right, this is my hair. All right, so this is after, and I like it. So yeah, it did what I had to do. It got the job done, and I like it. Of course, I didn't add like tension and heat to it, but for running it through, it did what it had to do. I have no knots. It's not tangled, and I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. So now that this is done and I'm done filming, thanks God. Thanks God. I need to relax. I might edit. I'm not gonna edit. I did a lot today. I am gonna probably eat some dinner, figure out something to eat, and I'll see you tomorrow. I think I'm gonna try to throw a wig on tomorrow. Maybe go to the farmer's market. I don't know. Whenever I pick up this camera. Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of the moms, 2024. And I'm just going on an evening walk. And I think that is going to be the end of my vlog for this week. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting vlogs about everything and anything every week. So, bye.